Arthur C. Clarke once said, "Two possibilities exist. Either we are alone in the universe, or we are not. Both are equally terrifying. But what if there is a third option? What if we aren't alone, but everyone else is just smart enough to keep their mouths shut?" For 60 years, astronomers have pointed radio telescopes at the stars. According to the Drake equation, probability suggests there should be thousands of noisy civilizations in the Milky Way. Instead, we found the Great Silence. Optimists say this means life is rare, but game theory suggests something much worse. It suggests that the silence isn't proof of absence, it is proof of fear. This is the dark forest theory. To understand it, you have to look at the universe not as a civilization, but as an ecosystem. Imagine a dense forest at night. It is deathly quiet. You might assume it's quiet because there are no animals, but you would be wrong. The forest is full of life. It is quiet because it is full of predators. In this forest, survival is the only rule. If a hunter hears a twig snap in the darkness, he doesn't shout, "Who is there?" He shoots. Why? Because of the chain of suspicion. It is a cosmic version of the prisoner's dilemma. You can never truly know an alien civilization's intent. This brings us to the concept of the technological explosion. On a cosmic timescale, a primitive civilization can jump from Type 0 to a Type 2 Kardashev power, harnessing the energy of their entire star in the blink of an eye. If you spare a weak neighbor today, they might surpass you and destroy you tomorrow. Therefore, the Nash equilibrium, the safest mathematical move, is to destroy any other life form the moment it reveals its location. But how would they actually do it? Hollywood tells us aliens would invade with fleets of ships and laser beams. That is a human fantasy. In the dark forest, invasions are inefficient. They are slow, and they reveal the hunter's location. The most efficient weapon isn't a laser, it is a rock. It's called a relativistic kill vehicle. Physics tells us that force equals mass times acceleration. If you take a small projectile, say the size of a car, and accelerate it to 95% the speed of light, it gains infinite mass. When it hits a planet, it doesn't just make a crater. The kinetic energy transfer creates an explosion powerful enough to boil oceans and crack the tectonic crust. You don't need a Death Star. You don't need an army. You just need math. And the terrifying part, because it travels at near light speed, you wouldn't see it coming. The object would arrive at the exact same moment as the light carrying its image. One moment, you're looking at the sky. The next, the sky is on fire. This is why the silence is so heavy. It's not just about hiding from neighbors. It's about hiding from a sniper who has a clear shot, infinite ammo, and zero travel time. This brings us to Earth. For the last century, we have been acting like a toddler in that dark forest. We have been lighting fires and screaming into the void. We sent the Voyager probes. We beamed the Arecibo message. We are blasting radio waves that say, "Here we are." If the dark forest theory is true, we haven't just been exploring. We have been painting a target on our backs. The universe isn't silent because we are the only ones here. The universe is silent because the others know better